In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneNote from pasting source links. Sometimes when you paste content from the web into OneNote, the app automatically includes a link back to the original source. While this can be useful for reference, it often clutters your notes and makes them look less clean. By adjusting a simple setting, you can prevent OneNote from adding these source links, keeping your pages neat and focused on the content that matters most. To start, open Microsoft OneNote and load the notebook you want to work with. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if your notebook contains multiple sections or a large amount of content. Once everything is visible and ready, you can begin adjusting the settings. First, access the File menu located at the top of the screen. Clicking on the File tab opens a menu with various options for managing your notebooks and configuring OneNote's behavior. This menu is where most of the app's customization options are stored, so it's worth becoming familiar with it for future adjustments. Scroll to the bottom of the File menu and select Options. This opens a window containing all of OneNote's configurable settings, from display preferences to editing controls. Within this window, look for the Advanced tab on the left side and click on it. The advanced settings contain deeper controls that influence how OneNote handles your notes and pasted content. Under the Editing section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Include Link to Source when pasting from the web. This is the setting that automatically adds those source links whenever you paste content from the internet. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box. By doing so, you tell OneNote not to add the extra links, keeping your notes clean and free from unnecessary clutter. Once you've unchecked the box, click OK to save your changes. From this point onward, any content you paste from the web will appear without an attached source link, allowing you to maintain a cleaner and more organized notebook. This simple adjustment can make a big difference if you frequently copy and paste information from online sources. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.